Our goal this year was to build a mudroom onto the front of the tiny house. And this is the slab that we poured to do just that. My name is Jess, my husband's name is Joe, and we'd like to welcome you to American Roots. So we started by framing out the front porch. He had to remove the weight-bearing studs so that he could put it right on the concrete and build off of that. It really made for an easy add-on because we just literally used what was already there. I'd come home from work and he would have the whole front of it framed in. He had to figure out how to make his own trusses, which he did, and I thought they turned out really, really nice.
What are you guys doing up there? Oh, crazy.
Our biggest thing was needing materials. By the time you add a window and T111, you start to need OSB and 2x4s.
I framed in the porch. I got to do some trim work. Started on the roof. I'm going to fit some window. Flooring. Foam. Got a door in-ish. So I got to finish the header. And the other window. The rest of the porch closed in. So we're adding about 40 whole square feet, maybe. It's great. Go up and finish putting in some nails, screws around there. So I figured I'd take you up with me. Oh look. All the birds birding around. I just got to put in some screws and some flashing tape, and I'll do some tin. There's the other addition to the farm. Need to get one of these caps. Have not done that yet. And the side flashing. That's next. Nice gap there. We'll call that a vent. Well, Turkey found the house. She thinks. Huh. Not today. Alright, gotta trim out window, corners, turkey window. Got the door. Works great. Still gotta finish floor and clean the door and insulate. Got a turkey in the window. Close the door. There, close the door. No gaps. It's noise. Got a window. Got a turkey with a window. Still gotta do the header on that. I'll probably put I guess it's called a stile, maybe, along the side. And one at the top. So I'll do that in a little bit. You're a very pretty turkey. Bye-bye. You're fluffy. You hear them guineas out there? That's nothing to eat. Silly. So you go hop on there. I forgot there's one last spot I gotta drill here.
The skills that we've learned during the year and a half that we've lived here building our own homestead off-grid have just been invaluable. We've been able to learn, apply, and then reapply. And that's really what starts to give you freedom, is that you can look at a space and think, hey, maybe I could store my coats and hats right here. Maybe this would be a good mudroom. Not only did it add space, but it allows me to use it wisely. Not only does it give me a place to store things, but I'm able to keep dirt out of the house. It has more than one function. This to me is valuable use of our resources and materials.
They're having the best time. Sissy's a good girl. She's looking for something. Very bouncy.
Now that we have the outside done, we can focus on getting it insulated, getting the walls up, drywall, and shiplap. I'd say that it was a very good use of 40 square feet.
Got me a visitor. Hey. Yeah. Taking off?
You like the fireplace?
Sitting by the fire, chicken glow.
You going in the bathroom?
She's gotta go.
You got a very fluffy butt. Oh, she's coming to find you.
Come on, chickadee chicken.
Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate you sharing in our journey. Until next time, we hope this encourages somebody to buy dirt, not diamonds, and we're praying blessings on you. We'll see you soon.